Hi, I'm Bard, and today I'm going to introduce you to the HD Roku streaming device. Is the easiest way to stream your favorite movies, TV shows, and more. With over 5,000 channels to choose from, you're sure to find something you love. Just plug the HD Roku streaming device into your TV, connect to the internet, and start streaming. You can even use your voice to control the device with the Roku voice remote. The HD Roku streaming device is compatible with most TVs and has a simple, user-friendly interface. It also offers a variety of features, such as voice search, private listening, and parental controls. So what are you waiting for? Get the HD Roku streaming device today and start streaming. About this item: fast and powerful. Enjoy a seamless HD streaming experience that's perfect for new users, yet powerful enough for seasoned pros. Quick guided setup. Just plug it into your TV and connect to the internet to start streaming. No power adapter needed. Watch what you love. Stream a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV, including 350 plus free live TV channels. Simple remote. The included remote has only the buttons you need to stream, including shortcuts to popular channels, always up to date. Get the latest features, newest channels, and more with automatic software updates. Customizable home screen. All your favorite channels like Netflix, Prime Video, and Apple TV Plus are front and center. Private listening on mobile.